Well, good morning and good afternoon, everyone. It is Thursday, December 19th. I can't remember which classes and which hours I explained to you guys that I wouldn't be in today, but needless to say, I'm not in today. And I really didn't want to make this video, but I'm shooting it anyways just to remind you. Today's the last full day. Well, technically, Friday's the last full day, but I think a lot of you guys are going to be already checked out for the holiday break. So make and take really good advantage of your time in class. This goes for every class across the board. I'm not going to make an individual video for all of you guys because you absolutely know what you're being asked to do. So just be very mindful of the time that you've got left. Be mindful of the projects or the challenges that you're working on. And utilize the class time, the hour, to the best of your advantage, because when we get back from holiday break, again, I'm stressing to you guys, it's going to be midterm project time all the way. Turning in old assignments, getting extra credit is going to be a thing of the past. So we really are going to be buckling down for the last 3 weeks when we get back. So make good use today, guys. I will see you when I return Friday. I wish you guys luck. And again, if you guys have any questions, I'll be able to answer those for you when I return, but hopefully they won't be super major because you guys will have already kind of wrapped up everything. Okay? See you guys when I return. Bye.